Welcome to Global World Watch. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. A new railway now connects China and Iran, a modern-day Silk Road of steel rails. Stretching across thousands of miles, it links Western China through Central Asia to Iran. This railway is a game-changer for trade, especially in oil, between these two powerful nations. Previously, trade relied heavily on long, crowded and sometimes dangerous sea routes. Now, goods can travel overland, cutting weeks of travel time to mere days. This efficient route opens a new chapter in China-Iran economic relations. Building this railway required immense engineering and diplomatic cooperation across multiple countries. It symbolizes growing ties and a reshaping of Eurasia's economic map. Beyond trade, it represents a strategic choice by Beijing and Tehran to control their economic destinies. By investing in this land route, they reduce dependency on sea lanes controlled by global powers. This railway is a bold declaration of intent for a more interconnected and independent future. It signals a shift in how goods and resources will flow across the continent. The project is a testament to the power of infrastructure in redefining global trade dynamics. It is a strategic move that could influence the economic landscape for decades. The railway is not just a connection, it's a vision for a new economic order. It marks a significant change in the flow of goods and resources across Eurasia. Iran has long faced economic sanctions, especially targeting its vital oil exports. The US and allies monitor key shipping lanes, making sea trade challenging for Iran. The new railway to China offers a land route, bypassing Western control. This railway acts as a sanctions bypass, allowing oil to flow directly to China. Trade happens on sovereign land, crossing borders of friendly nations, complicating US sanctions enforcement. Iran gains a crucial economic lifeline, selling oil more freely to a major customer. The railway also weakens financial sanctions by enabling trade in local currencies. This shift challenges Western foreign policy, showing the limits of sanctions. As countries build alternative systems, the power of sanctions diminishes. The railway is a blueprint for nations to resist Western influence. It signals a future where economic power is less centralized. The China-Iran railway is a strategic masterstroke, reshaping global trade dynamics. It highlights the need for new strategies in a changing world. The railway is not just about avoiding pressure, it's about creating new opportunities. It represents a shift towards a more multipolar economic landscape. China, the world's largest oil importer, needs a secure energy supply. Traditionally reliant on Middle Eastern oil shipped by sea, China faces risks at choke points like the Strait of Malacca. The new railway to Iran offers a direct land route, diversifying China's energy supply. This reduces vulnerability to sea route disruptions, enhancing energy security. For China, securing energy is a national security priority. The railway is a strategic move to ensure a steady fuel supply. For Iran, the railway is an economic lifeline amid crippling sanctions. China remains a willing buyer of Iranian oil, and the railway facilitates this trade. The income from oil sales is crucial for Iran's economy and government. This mutual dependency creates a powerful partnership. The railway solidifies a strategic alliance, turning trade into a long-term relationship. It gives both countries strong incentives to support each other globally. The flow of oil is more than a transaction, it's a geopolitical axis reshaping the region. This connection is not easily broken, reinforcing ties between China and Iran. The railway is a foundation for a new geopolitical landscape. It represents a shift in global energy trade dynamics. The partnership strengthens both nations' positions on the world stage. The railway is a key element in a changing global order. The China-Iran Railway is part of China's ambitious Belt and Road Initiative, BRI. The BRI aims to create a vast network connecting China with the world. Iran's strategic location makes it a vital partner in this vision. The railway is a key corridor in the BRI, linking China to Europe and the Middle East. For Iran, joining the BRI brings investment and infrastructure modernization. It helps Iran break economic isolation and connect to a dynamic network. This partnership deepens the strategic alliance between China and Iran. They are now partners in building a new economic order. The railway is a symbol of forging new political alliances. It represents a shift towards a more interconnected global economy. The BRI is not just about economics, it's about reshaping the world map. The China-Iran railway challenges Western dominance in global trade. For decades, the West controlled key sea lanes and financial systems. The railway represents a shift towards an alternative system outside Western control. It changes the power balance in the Middle East, introducing China as a major player. Countries in the region now have options beyond the US for investment and security. This reduces American leverage and creates a more multipolar landscape. The railway exposes the limits of Western power and sanctions. It shows that determined countries can bypass Western restrictions. The West must rethink strategies in a world with rising powers like China. The railway is a wake-up call for a new approach to global relations. It highlights the need for adaptation in a changing world. The railway is a path towards a more contested global order. The China-Iran railway is set to reshape global energy trade. Traditionally, oil moved on tankers overseen by the US Navy. The railway offers a land-based alternative, changing oil transport dynamics. It could make Iranian oil more competitive and stable. This new route may lead to a fragmented global oil market. The railway strengthens economic ties among BRICS nations. It accelerates the trend of de-dollarization in global trade. This shift has implications for West-West relations. As new networks form, Western economic leverage declines. The railway is a key driver of change in global trade. It marks a new era in the geopolitics of oil and trade. The China-Iran railway offers rewards but comes with risks. It passes through politically unstable Central Asia, posing potential disruptions. The railway could be a target in times of tension. Ensuring its security requires investment and coordination. Despite risks, the rewards are substantial for both Iran and China. The railway is a gateway to economic survival and influence for Iran. For China, it secures a vital energy supply line. The project symbolizes a shift towards a multipolar world order. It represents South-South cooperation independent of the West. The railway is a test case for new global connectivity models. Its success or failure will impact future international relations. The world of 2025 is different, and this railway is a major reason why. It is a symbol of a changing global landscape.